Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natisha and today I wanted to do a get ready with me. It is a get ready with me, but it's a tag at the same time. My YouTube friend Danibo challenged me to a tag that she made up with another YouTuber by the name of Chic Geek. So I'll leave both of their videos down below so you can check them out. And the tag is called Tricolor Challenge. And with that being said, they picked two people to do the tag and they give them specific colors to make an eye look out of. So the colors that I was granted by my friend Danibo was pink, silver, and green. So I'm going to do a look. I have all my stuff down below incorporating those three colors, and hopefully it turns out pretty good. Crossing my fingers. No, but for real though, just let's just dive in. I have already done my face. I've already did foundation, concealer, eyebrows, blah blah blah. So the main focus is the eye look. So pink, silver, and green. Pink, silver, and green. First color I'm going to just kind of dive into and figure out this situation. Oh, you know what? First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Mary Kay cream eye color kind of as my base. The color is Pale Blush. It's a pinky-ish color. So I am going to apply that all on my lid. Kind of, give me that base. And my window is open. I think I should probably close it because it's kind of loud outside. Alright, I applied that all over my lids and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go close my window. Okay, so the first color I'm going to take is this pink color in the Sugar Pop Too Faced palette, and I'm just gonna dust that on. Dust that. I almost slid out of my chair, but anyways, dust that on the crease of my eye. I'm hoping y'all can see what is the dealio. And this color is called Bubblegum. Okay, first pink is down. Now let's go with my second layer of pink, which is this color from the Urban Decay Electric palette. That is technically not sold anymore. And I'm just gonna put that more in my inner crease. I'm really supposed to be talking, but sometimes you just get in the mode and you just go to work. Go to work. It's a Saturday, guys. I'm at home. Kids are out and about with the Faja husband. Okay, now I'm going to taking it back, y'all, this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. It's like a green color. sparkling green is what it says. So we're gonna put it on my eye and see what happens. Okay, so the cream is down. Looks like this side. No. So now let's go into let me go out to in. Yeah, I'm gonna use this green from my Urban Decay Vice because she's so vicey. And I'm gonna put that in my outer corner. Alrighty, then I'm gonna take the green in this Urban Decay Electro palette. This is called Freak. Alrighty, now I am gonna take this brush from Urban Decay Vice, one of the Vices, and I'm gonna take this more neon green, place it right here. And then I'm gonna take this this silver in the Vice 3. It's called Shell Shock, and I'm just gonna pop it in the middle, yo. Taking this pink bubble gum. kind of forgot to talk in most of this video, but I think I have the look that I want to do, I think. Alrighty, I am going to take this silver Starlooks, maybe not. I'm going to take this silver Starlooks gem pencil and I'm going to line it somewhere. Where I'm going to line it, I don't know. Let's see. Alright guys, I'm going to put some mascara on and a little lip and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I totally failed on the chit chat portion of this video, but this is the final look that I came up with to incorporate green, green, pink, and silver. And this is what the final look is coming up as. Hopefully you can see like it, hopefully. So for my lip, I just mixed this Shea Moisture lipstick in Maple and this Mary Kay lipstick in Powerful Pink. Added that a little bit to the top just to give it a little pink, but not too much pink. And then blush, I just dipped a little bit of this Tarte Imagine, I think that's what it is, blush on my cheek, and no bronzer. And I put on some mascara, some eyeliner, and that is about it. So this is my final look for my Tricolor challenge. I think I did okay. I mean, it may not be the bomb, but this is what it came out as. So Danibo said in this challenge that she's suggesting people to tag 2 individuals to do it also. So I have picked 2 people to do this tag, and number 1 is going to be, her YouTube name is, number 1 is going to be, YouTube name is The Daisy Girlie. And then my second person I'm going to tag is Keep It Simple with Bridget. So, and Bridget be having some bomb eye looks. So I really hope that she takes this challenge and she runs with it. If you guys accept this a challenge, leave me a message below and I will give you the colors that I'm picking for you. And thank you for joining me in my video. Thank you, Danibo, for tagging me in this challenge, and hopefully I did pretty good. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.